Thank you for watching this video, which will tell you how to install your custom-made flexible track system by American Track Supply. Make sure to watch our other videos on our YouTube page and to place an order at americantracksupply.com. Our flexible track is the best in the industry. It's literally a snap to install. These are the brackets. The track will snap right in. All of our orders come with special self-tapping screws that are made to drill directly into your pre-drilled holes and into the grid of a drop ceiling or wood header. Work your way around and install the brackets one by one using the included screws. Snap the track in place and installation is complete. Good measurements will ensure a perfect install. Check our YouTube page for installation instructions and product guides. Visit americantracksupply.com to place an order today.